Hello together. In this video I show you 6 characteristics or qualities of a good SAP consultant. A good SAP consultant should have a combination of technical, functional and interpersonal skills. Here are some characteristics that a successful SAP consultant should possess. Technical knowledge. SAP consultants should have a deep understanding of the systems they are working with. They should be familiar with various SAP modules and be able to meet customer-specific requirements. They should also have knowledge of programming and data management to perform customizations and integrations. Problem-solving skills. A successful SAP consultant must be able to solve problems quickly and effectively. Consultants should analyze complex situations to find solutions while keeping the client's interests and project timelines in mind. Analytical skills. SAP consultants should be able to handle large amounts of data. They need to analyze and interpret in order to make informed decisions. They should be able to collect and organize data to identify trends and make recommendations. Communication skills. A good SAP consultant should be able to explain technical concepts in an understandable way. They should be able to communicate effectively with customers and colleagues, understand and implement customer requirements. Project management skills. SAP consultants should plan and manage projects effectively. They should be able to meet deadlines and ensure projects stay within budget. They should be able to manage resources and ensure that all project stakeholders are informed and up to date. Customer focus. A good SAP consultant should understand and respond to customer needs. He should develop solutions that meet the customer's needs and focus on adding value to the customer. Overall, the characteristics of a successful SAP consultant are a combination of technical skills, problem-solving skills, analytical skills, communication skills, project management skills, and customer focus. When a SAP consultant masters these skills, they can be a valuable partner to clients and a valuable member of an SAP consulting company. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment here. Thank you and see you next time.